Guys, you can smell it. It smells so good. That's right. What going again, people? We're there back. 100% on this cooking, you know. I see the title, I in thumbnail. Jack, guys, really anxious and curious to taste this, you see me? Because I'm the first man to taste this. Yeah, man. As you see, we're there on the riverside, you know. Don't so, once again, like one time, every time hard rain fall and river come down, the place get worse and worse. But I still can't complain because the river still layers to see me and thing, and I love nature. Guys, nature are the best. Until you feel down, feel depressed or whatever, just find a riverside, a seaside, or go near a bush and sit down and go on easy back, you see me? Because no prescription where that or anything where doctor prescribe for you can beat nature. Yeah, man. Until you feel down, just find some muscle, man, and easy back. Yeah, man, that is it. Nothing beat nature, guys. So, if you don't know about that, you don't know now. Next time, you can check it out. Yeah. Go up on the riverside and go on easy back. And don't meds about where I go through. Just watch nature, watch the water run, listen to the water sound, the birds them, and all that. When the breeze blow, you can hear the tree them, the leaf them and all that. Yeah, man. You can see birds in the sky. That is it. So guys, like the video. Give a comment number and tell me what you think about this video. I'm going to get started right now because I want that video quick and fast because I have nothing to do today. I swear. So we don't want to take too long down here, so I'm going to get to work same time. So when I'm done catch a fire, I'm going to check it back with you guys, so I soon come. Yeah, man, guys, so see if I get there catch up, guys. You don't know. And yeah, the pumpkin here. Let me season. I'm starting at that. Add some water. Now this. One roasted noodle. Yeah. My chicken and them thing like this. The breadfruit. My scare half. Yeah. And yeah, my calabash plate here, my 2 calabash plate them. And my jackfruit seed. Them here, guys, them already clean already. The little white thing over them like a plastic like. Yeah, man, it already pick up of them because that hamburger when you eat. That's very annoying if you eat and pick off. So yeah. So now you know, guys, take out everything I need. Knife. Yeah, and my scissors now for cut off the chicken foot them. That is it. I'm a cutting board. I don't know. So first thing I'm gonna do, put the pumpkin and the chicken foot. So then I can go back. So I can go back in. See the guys, pack gun on fire now, you know? So I get chicken clean up and them thing there now.
Chicken.
Never get dull, man. Wash up. So can't put on the cotton, guys. So get them wash off now, guys. Chicken gone in. Well, I don't know, guys. You this crab chicken. The 2 of them. Cut them way faster. Eh?
Look at 2 of them.
Yeah, man, guys. So make him go and cut off 2 of them. Cut them off, wash them off, and thing. I'm going to peel the pumpkin. Just put them another.
Pass them on and throw them in the pot now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah man guys, so cut up here now, you know. Oh my pot. That gone man. Yeah man guys, so I soon link back guys. Soon come back. Yeah man guys, nature are the best. I must say nothing beat nature and nature energy. Guys, man, they're young. Yeah. Block the tree in the base though, they're young. They're young man. See that guys? And chicken foot them are the toughest thing for cooking, you know. So as soon as chicken foot cook, we can throw in everything in it, you know. After they don't cook it. And the pumpkin you know, you smash them out. But by the time chicken foot cook, see? Pumpkin cook already. Pumpkin cook already guys, see? Pumpkin cook. Yeah man, so soon checking back. Yeah man guys, so I start peel the breadfruit now, you know. Start peel the breadfruit and get prepared. I picked the breadfruit guys yesterday and it start ripe already. I some like when breadfruit well fit. Well fit, you know. When they boil it, it's nice. And guys, jackfruit seed very nutritious. Good for you, you know. Even the jackfruit. Good for you. I see I can find something and put on the screen and can see where I go on. But that's the research, but I do it for now. Put the breadfruit in now guys to keep body. So look how I put yam them thing in it. Breadfruit now keep body because I don't know so we don't want water something. I make it nice, same way. Yeah man, so this is it guys. So I put in this and the jackfruit seed and the noodle and the dumpling and all that one time, you see me? Yeah man. So as soon as the chicken foot done cook, I'm checking back. As you see, the pumpkin cook already and the chicken cook already. So I'm going to go fast and drop in the car, then it's really slippery. Long time I not couldn't place there.
Feet like tree. Tall tree. Chop it down to get all in.
Put it in there?
No, it's like a good as all you want.
I'm hinting then. Yeah man guys, that's the last ingredients. You know, it's my roasted noodle, Maggi season, salt, jackfruit seed, and dumpling. I take more flour and I take but I'm sure to realize a little bit little bit of flour, you know. So make carrot, breadfruit and my scallion. I cut up the scallion because I want to maximize on the flavour, you see me? I want the most flavour out of it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, guys, so I'm going to see what I go on and now, you know. That is it. So. You just throw everything in there for your same speed. You know, if you don't want to leave down here, so nasty, nasty like some people like how they come in and they come in nasty, nasty. Yeah, come in now.
What?
But you're killing me. It's a fair play, man. What do you want? Alright, that is it. I love your cake, you shouldn't get none kind of gone. I'm gonna come back yet. Maybe can a spoon come to it. Yeah, man, guys, so this is it, you know? Yeah, so I taste it now and I don't know what I go on. You there? Let me calabash bowl. That is it. So, calabash bowl. Dip on the riverside. I must say, nothing beat nature energy. When you feel down or whatever, just come on the riverside, a seaside and a bush. Yeah, just sedate yourself with nature. So, I must say, I'm going to spoon. Hot. Look at the spoon, guys. So far, it's super hot. It's alright. So I definitely see really want taste now. Yeah, man. Eh? Yeah, man. Can't drink, man. So, remember, give video a like, subscribe, share it out, and all that. Tell somebody about the channel and all that. Every channel will grow. Guys, get me to 1K, right? Road to 1K. We need about 300 more subscribers there about, or 300 and little, I'm not sure, but get me to 1,000. Share the video, man. Yeah, and follow me on Instagram, Jeff876, and you have to have the link to the page down below in the description. So just scroll down, click it, and give me a follow. So, I think Jackfruit see you now. Soft and nice. Okay, I'm going to get some more jackfruit seed and make it like a pea soup. And the jackfruit seed, pigtail and everything there. Yeah, man, so look at my guys, catch you now in the next video.